All right, guys, Jeff here, just going to give you a lowdown on this really nice, super well thought out, well designed framing hammer. This is the Vanquish. This is the 22 ounce. It is super, super solid, really nice grip. It's excellent for framing. You got your straight claw here, which is excellent for picking up material and moving it over where you need it. And then it has the gnarled front here to make sure you get the best striking surface on those nails that you drive in. Everything about this hammer is super well thought out. Again, just from the design, the sleekness of it, balance in your hand. Of course, it's heavy right where you need it to be here at the front as you grip it in that nice kind of almost axe handle type grip down here. You're able to get a good solid grip on it. Does have a really nice feature here in that it's got a magnet. So just taking your standard 3-inch common nail here, that holds it in there. Super easy. So if you need to just start a nail one-handed, you're able to just go ahead and drive that, and then of course it puts it in there, leaves it for you to pound that in. This being a 22 ounce hammer, swings really nice. Definitely could drive nails as far as you need them, and as long as you need them all day. Again, the straight claw here makes for more or less an additional tool, not so much for extracting nails, which you could do with that. That typically works better with the lever kind, but this claw here, and of course it comes sharp. I mean, these actually are sharp enough that you're able to pick material up and move it over to you if you need it. Another feature that I see in here is that if you've got your little layout on the floor on your deck here, and you've got a layout going and you're trying to get studs spaced, I'm just using one here on its side so you can see. You get that lined up and that's nailed in place. You can use your hammer to help get you the spacing. You know, of course, you'd always want to make sure you got it laid out anyway, but you can see on this side that mark is right there. So definitely gives you that 16 on center spacing that you need. And then of course another nice feature is from the if you're trying to mount outlet boxes and things like that, from your 1.5 inch of your 2x4 to the top, this would make that this side make that 16, make you a good mark. So if you're up here like this, you're able to know that that's where you need to put your outlet boxes. So anyway, just really quick tools, stuff like that. But again, to me, the nice features about this are just the overall thought out design concept. Even if you didn't use it for anything to help with layout or boxes or all that, you're just going to swing this hammer all day long and love it. Definitely going to get to it. The gnarled faceplate here makes when you strike those nails, even if you're not perfect, it's going to make sure it grabs a hold and transfers all of that downward force into that nail. If you have a smooth nail hammer like this is more of a finishing style hammer, kind of old school wooden handle and stuff. This one obviously can bounce off and slide off, but the trade-off is, of course, you're not going to leave a bunch of gnarled marks on your wood. So anyway, definitely a framer's hammer. This is a one that you're really going to enjoy. So if you're in the market, you want to upgrade your framing hammer, I'd highly recommend that you check this Vanquish 22 ouncer out.